Paper plate Santa craft. Hey friends, today we're turning a paper plate into a cute Santa this Christmas. Supplies you'll need. Step-by-step instructions. First, paint your paper plate. This will be Santa's face. Next, cut a big triangle from the red glittery cardstock, glue it to the top of the plate. That's Santa's hat. Add a fluffy white pom-pom to the tip of the hat. Glue cotton balls along the bottom edge of the hat to make the trim. Now glue cotton balls all around the plate for Santa's beard. Stick on 2 googly eyes so Santa can see. Finally, add a red pom-pom for his nose and place 2 more cotton balls on either side to make his cheeks extra fluffy. And there you have it, your very own paper plate Santa. This craft is so much fun to display year after year, and kids will love making it and even playing with it. Thanks for crafting with me today.